Hi, I'm Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club. You know, if COVID has taught us anything, it's that kids can learn in lots of different environments. Half of our country is e-learning at home, and they're on computers. And one of the things that I wanted to do was to bring fun activities, hands-on learning that would give them a break during the day. So just once a week, they would have a baking lesson in their home. For some of you that don't know, my preschool that I own was shut down due to COVID. And I knew right away that I wanted to do something that would help kids because kids were now home. And since I had been decorating and baking since I was a little girl and had been teaching and baking and decorating classes locally in my community center as well as my YouTube channel, I thought, why not bring all of that information, all of those recipes to kids around the country? And that's how Kids Baking Club came to be. We provide all of the recipes and the tools. The kids do all the planning, get the ingredients together, and then they're learning math and science and literacy and language skills, working together as a team, bringing the whole entire family together. And the best part, they get to eat what they actually learn and make. So that's the funnest part of all. Also, with your first time joining, you always get a free apron. And then you'll get a monthly kit. Every single month we have these exciting themes. This month it's all about school days craze. And it's fun recipes that they can make, having all the things that they love to do around school. And we have our virtual online classes on our Facebook page twice a week. The kids also get an online access to all the decorating videos, dietary modifications, and also extra shopping lists that they can download. That's the fun of Kids Baking Club, and we would love for you to join us. So just go to kidsbakingclub.com and join today.